Hello comrades, in this video I will show how I make homemade shawarma, and let's start with meat. Make a simple marinade for meat. Add to meat salt, black pepper, paprika, and sunflower oil. Mix everything well. Cover with cling film and put in the fry for 8-12 hours. The second most important ingredient in shawarma it is sauce. Combine mayonnaise and kefir or spoiled milk. Add dill, two cloves of garlic and about 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Хорошо получилось. Sauce is ready. I think that in a good shawarma must not be kebab, carrot and like. Therefore, using vegetables only tomatoes, cucumber and onion. Yum. Fry piglet meat. And cut it into small pieces. We collect shawarma in the next order. Armenian lavash grey sauce, pato meat, meat, slices cucumber, slices tomatoes, onion, and again pour the sauce, wrapping up. And grill until crisp.
На здоров'я.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share this video. See you next time.